Going under. Oh.
Another video, but today we're doing a special thing that I've seen people do.
Is it
the Pokemon opening thing. Alright, so I'm back with another video with Brandon, my little brother, and we're gonna start off with a card. Alright, open the pack. Tree and open. Do that one. Alright, we're both gonna do this one.
Breakthrough Lugia.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Alright, so
Oh my!
be quiet. Look it down, put it down. Alright, so you get one.
Oh my! I think I got a secret.
Wait. You got 1, 2, 3 on the back. You get 1, 2. You put the 3 in the front. Get the one in the back. Alright, so mine's in the. Start off with this one. What the heck? Look what I got. First one was a Genius. No, a Genesect EX. Alright. And the one that has the best rare cards on is the winner, remember?
And you gotta keep the Pokemon.
Alright, second. Oh my god!
Oh my!
I got an electric.
I beat you.
Alright.
I reverse swallow.
Second. Oh my god! I got a. Oh! Gyarados EX!
Oh my goodness! I
Wait.
got a.
What the?
I don't know.
Oh wait, it's upside down. No way.
No!
I have an Altaria EX. I think I'm beating you a lot. Next one. Oh my god!
Oh my god! I got a Mega Man Trick EX!
I got this one. What are you talking about, Willis?
No, I beat you. I'm the Pokemon god. Let me tell you.
Alright, next one. Why am I all upside down?
Cause you have a secret rare pack, I think.
I have a Togekiss.
I got Togekiss too.
What the
I
heck?
got a Rayquaza! Oh my goodness! Oh.
I have another. What the fuck? I have whatever the thing's called. The freaking
Alakazam!
EX.
Look at my Mega Rayquaza! My Mega Rayquaza!
I got a Chandelure. It sucks. I don't like them. Electric dip, whatever it's called.
You beat me. You just got
I have another Gyarados EX.
GX. So we call we have GX.
The next thing. The same one as you, Brendan.
Okay.
Last one is the
That's the same one.
the Genestic. What the heck? I got like 2 for 2 each.
I beat you because I got a Mega. 2 Megas. So am I gonna keep the pack? Or am I just gonna pick one to keep?
You're gonna pick 5.
5 to keep? Okay, I'm
According to the rules, we're gonna pick up 5 cards, any cards. Here, pick your cards. And which ones you play. Which ones you pick? Right here.
into the back.
Alright, another one.
Okay. Another one?
I said 5. No, don't take my. Oh.
Just kidding. Another. Nah, I'll go for this one.
No, no, no!
Just kidding, I'll go for this one.
Alright. Look. These are the ones he took from me. He took most of my best ones. This one. This one. Gyarados. I don't know what this one is. And you got 2 of those.
What?
Yeah, you got 2 of those. Yeah.
Let me see.
And you chose them.
I didn't get 2 of those.
Here, I'll just show you this one for that one.
No.
Alright, then.
What is it?
It's the electric dude. It's a fresh one. The black and white.
How
Black and white.
Doesn't even for Pokemon Black and White.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. I don't
Alright.
even know.
Open the next pack.
Silent Color. Silent Color.
Alright.
Look at all these Pokemon.
Oh my god.
You.
Alright, Brian. Alright, so we're starting off with. I got whatever that's called.
Oh, that's when Ash, when his Snow Belgian.
Oh, against this big. I remember this one. Alright, next one is
I don't know.
Oh, I'll take one as yours.
Mega! This one again. What's up?
Oh my gosh, I got it too!
I got 2 of those.
Mega Manitrick.
Talon Flame, no!
I got Talon Flame.
You're beating me.
I
got Zapdos!
I got CSE Toad.
Look at this Zapdos! I'm not saying Zapdos was great.
I don't know what this
Oh
one
my!
is.
This was battled against
Oh, that's the one I have.
Talon Flame.
I got that one too.
I
Alright.
won.
I got this
I have
one.
that one already.
Oh!
Oh my-
I got this.
I got.
You got. Look at each one you got. Dang, Brandon. I got the Zapdos.
I'm beating you by a little bit.
You're not beating me.
Okay, kind. Oh no! My last Pokemon card.
Ron, did we literally just get the same ones?
No.
Yeah, we did. Look, we did look. Except one.
I beat you though.
No.
Cause I have 2 of those.
Lost from the last pack.
I have 2 of those too. We got the same ones.
Yeah, we got the same ones.
What does this happen? This is
So there's no winner. We literally just got the same cards. Look,
But another pack, I got rid of the
we just got the same cards.
Literally, I won the battle.
Ain't no one won the battle.
Look, I'll show you. I have 2 of these now. Look.
You won the battle because you won these 2.
I got these 3.
He got these 2. That's the only reason why he beat me. And these are from China, so they're the best ones. As you guys can tell, it is the best ones because we've been getting the pure EX. You see that?
See my brother's trying to show off right now. And look at this one. I love this one. It's so cool.
Look at this. EX.
Be quiet. That's not all of it yet.
EX.
3.
Alright, so that's it for you guys. Hit the subscribe button.
Wait.
Comment. If we get 5 likes, we'll make another video next week.
Check your subscribers so you can lick the ground.
Alright then.
Check your
I haven't posted the video though. That's what I'm gonna post today. And this is what I'm gonna post the next day. Alright, so see you guys later. As always, stay wicked.